uphold transparent elections, a command and control center has been established at the Chief Electoral Office in Jammu. With 1,700 cameras keeping a watchful eye on over 1,500 polling booths, the centre is aiming to ensure scrutiny over security deployment, vehicle movement, cash seizures, and code of conduct violations. My colleague Pradeep brings you more in this report from Ground Zero. Take a look.
To ensure free, fair and transparent election, you can see Command and Control Center has then been set up at Chief Electoral Officer here. You can see the 14 screens have been installed. Look at this screen, let me show you. They can keep an eye on each and every moment, right from the polling booth to vehicles and also at the Naka points, and they can keep an eye on every activity. The idea is basically to ensure that elections are free, there is transparency, there is no violation of code of conduct. Let me show you. Look at this. This is one of the polling booths, and they can keep an eye what exactly is going on inside the polling booth. While sitting here, Chief Electoral Officer can monitor everything. That means if there is any complaint, immediately they can act and react on that, because total collaboration is there with different departments. So you can see all these staff members, they are working 24/7 for the last several days, trying to keep a check on each and everything here in this region. Now let me show you all the vehicles that are involved for the election duty. The GPRS is attached to them. That means they can track the movement of the vehicles. Also look at the screen where the vehicle has reached, where point this vehicle had been. Not only that, they're also trying to ensure that the security personnel are deployed on spot so that people can come towards the polling booth without any fear. But what is more important is that during the last few months, the security scenarios improved, especially after abrogation of Article 370. Because last time when the election was held, there used to be several boycott calls. We saw that even the terrorists were trying to intimidate people. But this time the things have completely changed. People want to come out in large number, and they're trying to encourage them. They want that more and more people to come out. We have right now with us the Chief Electoral Officer. Let me speak to him and find out what kind of challenges you're facing right now when the elections are around the corner on 19th. The important this festival is going to start.
19th जो परसों है, वेदर फॉरकास्ट रेनी डेज सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज मेरे लिए है. दूसरा जो है, जो हमने प्री प्लान तरीके से उसको टैकल तो किया है, वो दूर दराज के एरियाज़ में एयरलिफ्ट करके पोलिंग पार्टीज़ भेजते हैं. उसमें हमने P-7 पर, मतलब पोल डे के 7 दिन पहले पोलिंग पार्टीज़ भेजी थी.
One more thing, that how you are trying to encourage more and more people to come out and vote this time.
जो पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी कल वोट के लिए जा रही है, उसमें पहले भी जो है पोलिंग परसेंटेज अच्छा रहा है. जम्मू डिवीज़न में औसतन 65-70% तक इवन पार्लियामेंट्री इलेक्शंस में पोल रहता है. लेकिन जो कश्मीर साइड में जो हमारी जो 2.5 के करीब जो पार्लियामेंट्री कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज़ है, उसमें पोलिंग परसेंटेज कम रहता है. इवन कुछ एक में जो है अबिस्मली कम 10-15% तक भी आता है. तो उसको बढ़ाने के लिए हमने काफ़ी इंतजाम किए हैं. जो यंगर लॉट है 18 से 29 साल का, जो फर्स्ट टाइम वोटर जिनको हम कहते हैं, वो भी उसमें नहीं आता था, तो उनके लिए हमने हर एक स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस में चुनाव पाठशाला बनाई है, जिसको हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लिटरेसी क्लब्स भी बोलते हैं. हर एक स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस को कवर करने के लिए, खास करके एनरोलमेंट के लिए और अपील करने के लिए डेडिकेटेड AROs भी लगाए हुए हैं. उनमें से ही किसी को हमने कैंपस एम्बेसडर भी अपॉइंट किया है, और बाकी भी जो स्वीप एक्टिविटी उनमें हम स्ट्रेस कर रहे हैं.